Hey guys, it's Caitlin and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a video on this makeup that's on my face. This is my sort of go-to face when I want a full face, not like a no makeup or really natural thing. If I want something a bit more, this is what I do. If you want to see my no makeup though, that'll be above. I never remember which side, but it will be linked. But if I want a bit more than that, this is what I do. I'm kind of rambling at this point, so I guess let's just get into the makeup. Why am I doing this? I don't know. Okay, let's just zoom right in and get started. Totally didn't think about how terrible this background would be once I zoomed in, but we kind of got to be zoomed in for makeup, so we're just gonna have to deal with it. And yes, my monitors are dirty, but like, who really cleans their monitors? Like, really? Yeah, I thought so. Alright, let's actually get into some makeup now. So as always, you've got to do your skin prep. I've already moisturized about 5, probably 10 minutes now before this video and applied lip balm. If I planned on leaving the house, I would also add an SPF, but I'm literally just gonna change into a hoodie and trackies after this and watch some Netflix, so no need for that. But you'd also want to skip SPF if you were going anywhere with flash photography, because otherwise you'd get major flashback. But if you're going out anywhere during the day outside, remember your SPF, please. I have been screaming at all my friends about SPF lately, so don't make me yell at you guys too. Okay, so first product is the good old Smashbox Photo Finish Primer, the original one. And I just put this all over my face. I just use my fingers because who really cares? Not me. And next up is Nars Sheer Glow, which is such a fantastic foundation. This is like my go-to. I have the shade Light 2 Mont Blanc. Is that how you say it? Light 2 is what I have. So I'll just pump like a pump and a bit onto my hand. I don't even think that was a full pump. This is how much. Right here. This is what I got. And I'll just start dotting that around. I really should be tying my hair up when I do makeup videos, but it just will look so ugly. But we'll just get the good old beauty blender and start patting that in. That is the Sheer Glow foundation on. I feel like it's a really good color. I don't know if it's a perfect match, which is why we just make sure we get down the neck a bit. And I like that I can still see little bits of my skin peeking through, like over here. I don't know how well the camera will pick it up. It's just like some freckles and marks and stuff. So now that that is done, we will go into concealing. And mainly got to get rid of this big guy here, which I will use the Nars Soft Matte Complete Concealer Light 2 Vanilla to do that. And I just use my finger and I'll just pat that on. And that is a heaps better. I only really use this concealer for really big monsters that I need to get rid of. And then for any little small spots, I will use my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in Fair Clair. So there's not really anything I want to cover up today. I do just like to do a bit around the nostrils. Maybe that guy, and I've got like a tiny thing there. But like nothing major, which is pretty nice. And then I'll tend to just go straight to my brightening concealer, Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer in Light 1 Chantilly. Just so then I'll do all my blending out at once with the beauty blender. And we'll do under the eyes. I don't go nearly as crazy as I used to. Like, I don't do the big triangle anymore. I don't actually bring it all the way here. I just blend it out there. You don't need to do a giant doink doink doink. That still even looks like a lot. So maybe I'm just trying to make myself feel better. I don't know. Down the bridge of the nose. Tiny bit on the chin. And Cupid's bow. And then I'll just put a little bit up under my eyebrows. I don't do the full carving out thing with this look because it's not like a full-on look. You know, like a full-on nighttime going out glam. But I do want it to be a little bit highlighted and everything. Plus, I got a couple of stray brow hairs, so that will take care of that for me. And then back to our wonderful beauty blender. Go to town. Blend, 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 blend. I just work my way up my face. I'll kind of blend whatever's left just over my eyelids, just to cover up all the discoloration. So now I'm like pretty much all one color. And I know when I turn here, you can just see darkness. I think that's just my face. Like, I can never really cover that up. I mean, I can try, but you'll be disappointed. I mean, it's a little better, but like you can still see the darkness there. That's just me never sleeping. Moving on, let's go on to setting the face. I use the Ambient Lighting Powder in Ethereal Light, which looks like this. It has a little bit of color to it, just a little bit. And I will take my Real Techniques setting brush and pack that under my eyes. And I'll just take it over my eyelids and all in this area just to really set it. And then we will take the Sigma Large Powder F30 brush to do the rest of the face. And I just tap it on. I don't really want to go like that because I just don't want it to move around my base too much. So I really just tap, 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 tap. After I powder, I do like to just tap my face, and if there's anywhere that still feels really sticky or anything, I will go over it again. So next up comes contour, and I'm using one in this Makeup Forever like DIY palette thing, which mine looks like this, and I'm using this shade. I will have to put it on the screen or in the description box below because I feel like if I try to pull this out now, I'm going to shatter it. So I apologize. Then to use that powder, I will take the Sigma Large Angled Contour F40 brush and just get a bit on. So I'll just pinch it in just a little bit and go like that. I'll be honest, this is not my ideal contour shade. I prefer a slightly cooler tone one. For example, Kat Von Disease Shade and Light, but I don't want to catch polio, so I will not be using hers today. So if anyone has any recommendations for a slightly cooler one, similar to that palette, then please let me know. But this is doing the job for now, but my preference is slightly cooler tone. I know that looks a little bit crazy, but I always use this little BH Cosmetics mini kabuki to really blend everything out. I don't know why, I just don't use the brush that I was already using. But I love this brush. I've had it forever. I would be so sad if I lost it. So you could be a normal person and just use the brush that you applied it with, but I just got to take an extra step. Cool. Bit of a contour. Oh, it looks so much sharper on the camera than it does in real life. But onto blush, I'm not actually using the one in this palette. I am using my new fave, my Milani Baked Blush, which I actually bought in New Zealand, which you can go check out that vlog. Which side do I point? Is it this side? Is it this side? It's somewhere. There'll be a card. I really love to get my promo in. But like, this is so pretty. Look at it. I love it. It is 13 Rosa Romantica. And it's just so glowy, and I love glowy, so it makes me very happy. And then I will take my Zoeva Luxe Cheek Finish 126 brush to apply that. Pop that on, and as you can see, it's really like goldeny intense, so I am going to blend that out a bit. Did I put on too much? Don't know. Don't care. Just a smidge on the nose just to add some colour back. Just whatever was left on my brush. So we'll blend that bitch out. Can I say bitch now that I'm monetized? Why does it look so much more intense on the camera than it does in real life? Oh my god. Then let's just do some highlighting action with my all-time fave Fenty Beauty Killawat highlight in Lightning Dust, which is the more toned down version of the two, and it's this guy here. I legit have one of these highlighters where I have panned Lightning Dust and I still have 5 crystal left, but there is absolutely nothing of this one left because I love it so much. So I'm taking it on this little blending brush from Morphe that I got in like a set of brushes, so it doesn't have a name or anything. It doesn't even say Morphe on it, so I don't know, I got it as a gift, but it had a Morphe bag. And I just go all up on my cheekbones. I love a little blending brush because you can really control the highlight. You can get all the small areas, which I'll do in a second, without having to switch brushes, but then you can just go ham if you want to. Of course, we take it up along the side like that, and then the other side. And yes, I am going to town because I love a glow. And then to do the bridge of my nose, I always just pinch the brush like this and just run it down, and a little dot on the tip of my nose under the brows, which I haven't done yet. I like to make sure the brow bone highlight comes down and connects with what's on my cheekbone as well. And I'll do a little bit on my Cupid's bow, which I really like. And oh, that glow. Sorry if the zoom is a little bit different right now. The doorbell just rang and I accidentally turned off the camera completely rather than just stopping the recording. If it's different, that's why. But that is the face part pretty much done. We'll just move on to eyes now. I don't really do full-on eyeshadow. I will just take my good old contour powder. I will generally get a brush like this. This is a 226 smudger from Zoeva, so it's really like flat. Can you see that there against the monitor? It's a pro of my ugly background, because I'll use this first to really pack the shadow into my crease, just on the outer part though. This is just to save me from using too many brushes, to be honest, because then I'll use this brush under my eyes, so I only end up using 2 brushes. And I'll just run that color under. Nothing exciting, but just adds a bit of definition. Pack a bit extra on the outer corner, and then I'll take my blending brush, Zoeva again, 228 Luxe Crease, and I'll just use that to blend that all out. the good old windscreen wiper motions. And I'll also just pinch it a bit and blend out under my eye. So that's like very quick and simple, but adds a lot to the look. And then if I want to add a little bit more to like kind of tie in the cheeks and everything, I will take my blush, same Milani one, just on my finger and just pat that across for a bit of a sheen that's also got some color to it. But yeah, that just really quickly adds a bit of definition to the eyes, and it's nice and simple. So then from there I will do my brows. So I'll take my Anastasia Brow Wiz in Taupe, and here I like to just draw a line under my brow first to make it a little bit sharper, and then I kind of go back and forth. I'll just kind of draw out the arch there because I feel like I'm missing a bit here, and I'll draw out the other one, and I just fill them in. As I said in my no makeup video, which if you haven't seen that, you should definitely check that out, I like to go back and forth between my brows. I feel like that helps make them look a bit more similar, and it's just easier doing that than replicating an entire brow onto the other one. Yeah, so I flick up at the front to get that kind of brushed up look, and then just little small strokes all through the rest of the brows, and then I feel like they look pretty similar. And then I would take my tinted brow gel, which is the Benefit, which has no name on it because I use it that much, and this is the Gimmie Brow in shade 3, and I'll just start with the fronts and then brush it through. I really like that brushed up look at the front of my brows, which is all personal preference, you know, but you do you. I feel like brows are very personal, but that's how I do mine, which look like this. Alright, and then we'll go back to my highlight. So yes, I use everything again, and I'll tend to just go in with my pinky finger just to do a little bit of inner corner. You guys can hear my dogs, can't you? So yeah, I've kind of just reused all my face products on my eyes. So we're nearly done, and we've just got to do some like mascara and lips and tight lining, which is next. And this, as you can see, I really used it. This is the Maybelline gel eyeliner, but it's literally a pencil. It's the Gigi Hadid line, I think, and it's just like a black one. The name, oh, black, yes it is black. So I really like this one to tight line, and just gotta do that. Do you guys hold your eyelids up while you tight line, or do you just run it under like I am? Okay, other eye. There we go. Okay, tight lining done, which makes such a difference to your mascara, which mine is the L'Oreal Paradise Ecstatic, and mine is well loved. You can see by how gross it is. I really should clean my makeup. Lashes, I find spend a bit of time on them, it'll really make a difference. Like I don't just go done. I'm pulling it up slowly, wiggling, and then I'll just use whatever's left for the bottom lashes. Other eye. Okay, and that is lashes done. So we are pretty much at the end. All we have left is lips, and I'm using a MAC lipstick Brave, which is a satin finish. I've been enjoying more of a pink tone lately. I was really on the brown tones for a while, but I'm enjoying this kind of pink vibe. Does anyone else do the lipstick with their mouth open, or is that just me? But how pretty is that lip color? I'm obsessed with it. This one's an optional one, but if I'm feeling the gloss, I'll take my Fenty Fussy gloss, which is a pink toned one. I love the Fenty glosses, and I might just add that just to the center, which is also super pretty. These are a great combo. They're also both fantastic on their own. I also love them together. I just love it all around. Fantastic. Oh wait, that's all last. We have setting spray, Urban Decay All Nighter. Who's surprised? And I tend to do like 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. I feel like I just get everything covered if I do it like that. And then yeah, that is the face. So I'm just gonna zoom you guys out, and then we can wrap this up. So we're not so close to my face now, but that is pretty much the whole look. I'll of course have all the products and everything linked down below. And I really hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions or anything, or you just want to say hi, please go down to the comments down below. And you can also give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and hit the subscribe button for more videos from me, and of course that bell notification so you can get notified as soon as I upload. And if you would like more of me, you can always follow me on Twitter and Instagram at booitscaitlin. I'm on Twitter all the time. I'm kind of bad with Instagram, but if you want more of me, you can go there. And yeah, I don't think I really have anything else to say, so I hope you enjoyed. That's really the most important thing, and that it was helpful and all that jazz. No, okay, but that's about it for me, so I will stop rambling, and I hope you guys all have a great day or night or whatever it is for you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.